General characteristic of the compound of alkali metals. First, oxides and hydroxides. On combustion in excess of air, lithium forms mainly the oxide. 4Li plus O2 gives 2Li2O, which is white granite powder. Lithium oxide hydrolyzed by water to form lithium hydroxide. Li2O plus 2H2O gives 2LiOH, which is lithium hydroxide. On combustion in excess of air, sodium forms sodium oxide. Sodium peroxide when added to water gives sodium hydroxide, hydrogen peroxide. On combustion in excess of air, potassium, rubidium and cesium forms KO2, RbO2 and CsO2. For example, potassium superoxide, which is silver, white powder, added with water gives potassium hydroxide plus hydrogen peroxide. Question: why is KO2 paramagnetic? Solution: the superoxide O2- is paramagnetic because of one unpaired electron in pi star 2p molecular orbital. Properties of halides. The alkali metal halides Mx, where X can be F, Cl, Br, I, are all high melting, colorless crystalline solids. They can be prepared by the reaction of the appropriate oxide, hydroxide or carbonate with aqueous hydrohalic acid HX. All of these halides have high negative enthalpies of formation. The delta H not of fusion values for fluorides become less negative as we go down the group, whilst the reverse is true for delta H naught of fusion for chlorides, bromides and iodides. For a given metal, delta H naught of fusion always becomes less negative from fluoride to iodide.
The melting and boiling points always follow the trend.
Fluoride is greater than chloride is greater than bromide is greater than iodide. All these halides are soluble in water. Properties of salts of oxoacids. Oxoacids are those in which the acidic proton is on a hydroxyl group with an oxo group attached to the same atom. Example: carbonic acid, sulfuric acid. The alkali metals form salts with all the oxoacids. They are generally soluble in water and thermally stable. Their carbonates can be represented by M2CO3, and in most cases the hydrogen carbonates that can be MHCO3 also are highly stable to heat. As the electropositive character increases down the group, the stability of the carbonates and hydrogen carbonates increases.